train, Owlette. Let's go, let's go, let's go!
Why are you so excited, Amaya?
Because the fair's got an amazing new ride. The Fairground Flyer Train. I saw them testing it yesterday. It was so fast. It's going to feel like flying.
You know, I like going fast.
Zoom, zoom, zoom.
Wow, everyone wants to ride this thing.
Because it's the fastest ride in the world. Come on, you have to check it out.
Hey, we were here first. Get in line. Amaya?
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, the Fairground Flyer Train is now gone.
Where's the train?
Huh? It can't be gone.
Oh, I was so looking forward to flying.
But how can a big train disappear?
Trains run on tracks, right? Well, there are twists and loop-de-loops, but this track is still a closed circle.
So how could it get off its track and keep going?
Look! It's like there were more train tracks, but now they're gone.
Train tracks that disappear. It has to be a nighttime villain.
PJ Masks, we're on our way. Into the night to save the day.
Night in the city, and a brave band of heroes is ready to face fiendish villains to stop them messing with your day. Greg becomes...
Gekko! Yeah!
Connor becomes...
Catboy!
Amaya becomes...
Owlette! The PJ Masks! Come on, come on, come on! To the Owl Glider!
Hey, wait, Owlette. If we're going to follow that trail, we need to be on the ground.
All right, good point. I just really want you guys to ride it.
Okay, so...
To the Hecker! I know, let's do it!
She's really impatient.
Come on, guys, let's go! Looking, nothing here.
Wait, Owlette. The marks from the missing train tracks are here, remember?
So if we follow them, we'll find the train?
Yes, let's go, let's go!
Was that Romeo's lab?
It looked like it, Gekko, but it was all over the place. Maybe there's
Guys, never mind Romeo. If he's in his lab, he can't be driving that train, and we need to find out who is. Go, go, go!
Okay.
Hey.
No more tracks.
How will we find the train now?
Owl Eyes! I see something up ahead. Something fast! That's it! The train! See? I told you it was fast.
Now let's see who's driving.
Romeo? Well, hello, PJ Masks.
But we just saw you driving your lab.
That wasn't me. No one's driving my lab. Silly thing short-circuited and took off by itself. Good thing I've got this super fast train to catch it with, eh?
But where did these train tracks come from?
Easy, huh? Thanks to my invention, the Tracker Whacker. It makes tracks anywhere.
Wow, that is pretty cool.
And what's even cooler is the other one at the back that picks the tracks up again.
But Romeo, you don't need this train. We can catch your lab for you.
Ha! Like I'm giving this train up once I get my lab? No way! With the tools from my lab, I can make this train even faster. I'll be the fastest villain in the world! Huh? Aha! There you are, my lab. Ha! PJ Masks were never gonna catch me in that super slow cat car.
Come on, PJ Masks. Let's stop Romeo. Super Owl Wings. Owlette! Whoa, I was almost bird feed. Thanks, Catboy.
No rush, Owlette. We'll get there.
Hey! Let's sneak up on him really, really slowly.
Why be slow? Let's just go. Whoa! Whoa!
Owlette!
I'm okay.
Huh? Those PJ Masks couldn't be on my train, could they? Better make sure they're not.
Sorry, guys. Looks like Romeo found out we're on the train.
It's okay. New idea. We all go after Romeo at once. He can't stop three of us. Okay, on three. We all run and jump. 1, 2...
Come on, guys.
Owlette! No, wait! Whoa!
Why didn't I listen to Catboy and Gekko? Romeo's almost caught up with his lab. Well, because I was in such a rush.
Owlette!
Are you all right?
Yes, but I'm sorry. Every time you made a plan, I rushed ahead without you. And then it didn't work.
It's okay. You were just really excited about us riding the train.
I'll take care of this robot arm. Super gekko-mobile!
But now I've got a plan. And for it to work, I'm going to have to wait. It's time to be a hero.
Yeah! I know you're all in there, PJ Masks, but not for long.
Quick, what's your plan, Owlette? We're going to stop this train for good. And we're going to do it together. Catboy, you leap up and grab some tree branches. Gekko, you crawl down next to the tracker whacker.
Got it, Owlette.
Then it's my turn. I'll fly the branches to you, and you can use them to jam the tracker whacker and stop the tracks. Without tracks, this train won't ever catch Romeo's lab.
Great plan, Owlette. I think it'll work.
As long as I wait for you guys to do your thing first.
Go,
PJ Masks! Oops. Remember, Owlette, don't rush. Your turn, Catboy. I'll just, wait.
Okay, my tracker whacker. More tracks! More tracks!
Super Cat Jump!
Okay, now it's my turn. Nice and easy.
Nice one, Owlette. What? Stop it, you PJ pests.
Too late, Romeo. Gekko, jam that tracker whacker.
Ah! Whoa! Super lizard grip! Hang on to me, everyone! I've got this! Super Gekko muscles! Ah! Aww. Huh?
See, Romeo? I told you we could catch your lab.
My lovely lab! Yes, yes, yes! I might have lost my train, but I'll always have you, my lovely lab.
Now let's get this train back home.
Everyone at the fair will be so happy.
I'll beat you next time, PJ Masks!
Gecko. We saved the fairground flyer train.
PJ Masks, I'll shout hooray! 'Cause in the night we save the day!
Yay! Come on!
It's almost time.
I've been on this train once, but I can't wait to ride it again.
Hooray!
Yeah!
Hey, you guys go ahead.
Really? Thanks, Amaya.
I'm happy to wait. Enjoy the ride. It goes pretty fast.
Catboy's Cloudy Crisis.
Tag!
I'm gonna get you!
Aw, poor cat. They hate getting wet. But we don't. Come on, into the sprinklers!
What's so great about sprinklers?
It's only a bit of water, Connor.
I know. I was just, enjoying playing tag.
Maybe you could try just getting a little bit wet. It's nice and cool.
But I'm not hot.
Okay, but you're missing out.
Incoming!
Huh?
Yeah!
Huh? What happened?
Hey!
Where's all the water gone?
Huh?
Huh?
What's going on?
What's going on?
What happened?
It's so cold.
What if these weird clouds don't leave and we never get to play summer games again?
Don't worry, that won't happen. We need to find out where these clouds are coming from.
Let's follow the hose. This leads straight to the tank where all the water from the sprinklers is kept.
But it's empty now.
What were all those dark clouds doing in the tank? And who put them there?
A moth! That means Luna Girl! PJ Masks, we're on our way into the night to save the day!
Night in the city, and a brave band of heroes is ready to face fiendish villains to stop them messing with your day. Maya becomes
Owlette! Yeah!
Greg becomes
Gekko! Yeah!
Connor becomes
Catboy!
The PJ Masks! If we're going to stop any more clouds from appearing, we need to find Luna Girl.
Let's take another look at the sprinkler tank. Maybe we'll find a clue. To the cat car!
It wasn't me. It's coming from over there. It's Luna Girl. What's she doing?
Luna power, make clouds! And move them into the tank!
What are you up to, Luna Girl?
What a surprise! I knew it wouldn't be long before you were back to do your goody-goody work.
Why are you making all these dark clouds? No one could play today.
That's the idea, lizard legs. I never get to play silly summer games, so I'm going to block out the sun with my black clouds, so you can't either.
But you can play with us. Tag!
Play a happy daytime game with the pesky PJ Masks. Blech. Today was just a test. But once the tank is full, I'll let all these clouds out at once, and summer will be over!
No more summer? That would be horrible.
You two distract Luna Girl. Then I'll get her Luna Magnet, reverse it, and suck all the clouds back inside.
Oh, yeah? Think you can steal my Luna Magnet, eh, Catboy? Well, look what I've got for you.
How are clouds gonna stop me?
Well, I know how much cats hate water, so these are rain clouds. Luna Power, send those clouds to Catboy!
Don't worry, just stick to the plan. I can handle this.
Okay, Catboy.
Be strong.
Oh, maybe I can't handle it. Ah!
No clouds. Rain on Catboy wherever he goes.
Ah! Ah! No! Ah! Ah! Whoa! Ah!
Catboy, what are you doing? We need you. Got to get that Luna Magnet.
Go away, horrible, watery cloud!
Owlette, you distract Luna Girl. I'll go help Catboy. Super Owl Wings! Over here, Luna Girl.
Can't catch me. Hey!
Gekko, be quick! I'm coming, Catboy! Come on, Catboy, you can do it!
Luna Power, cloud that lizard!
Oof! Get it off me! I can't see anything!
Mox, get her!
Whoa! Shoot! Shoot! Catboy! Whoa!
Oh, get off me, Cloud! If I can just keep out of this rain!
Ah! My Luna Magnet!
Run, Catboy, run!
Come on, Catboy! Oh, yeah! Catboy runs like the wind with his super... Oh! It's wet! It's wet!
Catboy, I'm coming to help you!
Luna board! More clouds! More clouds!
Super Owl Wings!
No, water! So wet! Oh, why me? Why
Catboy,
rain?
you have to stop worrying about staying dry. If we don't stop Luna Girl by dawn, she's going to cloud up the whole sky.
I'm sorry, I hate getting wet. But you're right, I won't let you down again.
Then let's go.
Luna Power! Make that cloud bigger and rainier and make it chase Catboy. I like watching him run around like a scared little kitty.
I can do it! I can do it! Ah! Oh! I can't do it!
Don't run, Catboy. I need your help to stop Luna Girl. And don't worry, it's just a little bit of water.
Luna Power, cloud her up!
Oh, where are you, Luna Girl? Get this off me!
Whoa!
Get me, get Yeah, we can see again. No! Catboy, do something.
Won't get away with this, Luna Girl!
Oh, I think I will. As long as you're a silly little pussycat who hates getting wet, there's nothing you can do about it. And that means I win! I win! Clouds, move into a line and surround that scaredy cat.
No!
Ha! Now I can go back to filling the tank with more clouds. Luna Power, make more clouds and put them in the tank.
Catboy, help us.
I can do this. I hate getting wet, but not as much as I hate letting my friends down. It's time to be a hero! Super Cat Speed! I'm coming, PJ Masks! Faster than lightning, whoa! The amazing Catboy runs under the clouds, whoa! Making them all follow him.
What? Wait, what are you doing?
Now I've just got to reverse this thing. Yes, it's working!
Whoa!
Gekko, quick! Help me get rid of the clouds in the tank.
On it, Catboy.
Super Gekko muscle!
We've done it! All the clouds are gone!
And we saved the sunshine.
Give me that back!
No! Ugh.
My Luna magnet! How am I supposed to use it now? I'll fix this and get you next time, PJ Masks!
You did it, Catboy! We knew you could!
Getting wet wasn't so bad after all, especially since it meant saving my friends. PJ Masks, all shout hooray!
'Cause in the night we save the day!
I'm gonna tag you!
Uh-oh, water!
Oh, it's so fun!
Really? You still don't like it?
No, but it doesn't mean I can't spray you two.